Say cheese. Whoa. Oh, wait. Hold on. Yes. Can you just talk about how you took 2.5 hour naps and I had to go wake you up? Because you slept 17 hours out of the past 24 hours. Hola. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Muy bien. Cheese. Cheese. I'm trying to can see. Look, you're so cute. It's so jubbly. Say hola. Cheese, yeah. You love cheese. Avocados. Hi. Oh, it's so cute. We zoomed in on us. Oh, I heard it too. Oh, no. Hold on, I gotta zoom out. Hi. Are you so cute? And so grumpy? Oh, no. How did you sleep? Is it good? Do you have a good nap? Dada, he's at work tonight. That's Mama that you're pointing to. Hi, here's me. Here's Capri right here. That's you. Say hi, Capri.
Hi, Capri.
Good job. Say Capri.
Hi, Capri.
That's so cute. Hi, you've zoomed in again. Here. Oh. I know. Say hi, Capri.